In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping profiles, zones, and rates in Shopify. Setting up shipping profiles in Shopify allows you to control how shipping rates are applied to different products, regions, and customer groups. Properly configured shipping ensures that your customers see accurate costs at checkout and helps you manage fulfillment more efficiently. To start, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings. In here, from all these options, click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll see the Shipping Profiles section. By default, all products are in the General Shipping Profile, but Shopify allows you to create additional profiles for products with special shipping requirements like oversized items, hazardous goods, or products shipped from different locations. Click Create New Profile to set one up. Within a shipping profile, you first assign the products it covers. Then you create shipping zones, which are groups of countries or regions where you'll ship. For each zone, you can set specific shipping rates, either flat rates, calculated rates from carriers, or price or weight-based rates. For example, you might offer free shipping for orders over $50 in the US, but a fixed $15 rate for Canada. Shopify lets you create multiple rates within a zone, so you can offer options like standard, express, or same-day shipping. Once you've configured your zones and rates, save the profile and test it by simulating checkouts with different addresses. This ensures that your rates display correctly and that customers are charged accurately. You can always return to shipping profiles to edit zones, adjust rates, or add new products as your inventory or shipping strategy evolve. Using shipping profiles strategically helps you provide clear shipping options, reduces checkout confusion, and can even help optimize costs if you're fulfilling from multiple locations or offering specialized shipping for certain products. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.